Happy are those whose help is in the God of Jacob, whose hope is in the Lord their God, who made heaven and earth, the sea, and all that is in them.
Preden je stopila vera, nas je postala države zaprte pod ključem, v pričakovanju vreme, ki naj bi bila razodeta. To se pravi, da je postala za nas vzgojiteljica, ki nas je vzgojila za Kristusa, da bi bili opravičeni iz vere. Ko bi nastopila vera, nismo več pod vzgojiteljicami. Vi vsi ste namreč povedali v Kristusa Jezusa, Božji otroci. Kajte vsi, ki ste bili krščeni v Kristusa, ste oblekli Kristusa. Ni ne Juda, ne Grka in ne služnja, ne svobodnjaka, ni ne moškega, ne ženske. Kajte vsi ste eden v Kristusu Jezusu.
I'm reading from the letter of St. Paul to the Galatians, chapter 3. Before faith came, we were imprisoned and guarded under the law until faith would be revealed. Therefore, the law was our disciplinarian until Christ came, so that we might be reckoned as righteousness by faith. But now that faith is come, we are no longer subject to a disciplinarian. For in Christ Jesus you are all children of God through faith. As many of you were baptized into Christ, have clothed yourselves in Christ. There is no longer Jew or Greek. There is no longer slave or free. There is no longer male